Well, if it isn't my best gal, the one who sprung me from the vault, I think I owe this lovely lady a drink. Here's to raising hell and living a good life out here. Cheers! Now all we need is a gang, and we could take over this whole wasteland. Hell yeah, I do. I could be out there and kicking butt in my own gang and everything. The tunnel snakes could ride again. Or, slither again. Whatever. Yeah, you'd be perfect for my gang. You're in. Tunnel snakes rule. What's the story, my fellow? If this means more stuff for Butch, I'm all for it. Sure thing.